Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand Python Tkinter by demonstrating a simple ATM application. An ATM application can be developed either as a web application using Flask or Django frameworks or as a desktop application using Tkinter framework. In this video, we'll focus on the desktop version. Tkinter is Python's built-in GUI library that allows us to create windows, buttons, text boxes, labels, and many other graphical components without installing any additional packages. Let's see how our ATM application works. I'll run this program. So this is the ATM system. I'll log in. I'll enter the PIN number. Click on login. So first I'll check the bank balance. So available balance is 5,000. So this is like I've given in the program that 5,000 is the initial amount. So I'm getting 5,000. So now I want to deposit some amount. So I'll enter 5,000. Click on deposit. So 5,000 deposited successfully and current balance is 10,000. Now I want to withdraw some amount and say 2,000. Click on withdraw button. 2,000 withdrawn successfully. Current balance is 8,000. Click on OK. I can now click on exit. I click on yes. I have some few more features also. Let me demonstrate them. Now I'll not click enter any name. Just click on login button. I'll get the message as please enter your name. This is a validation that I'm doing the backend. Now I'll enter name, but I'll not enter PIN number. I'll just click on login. So it is saying incorrect PIN. And now I'll enter the correct PIN number. So while depositing, I'll just by chance enter 0. I'll click on deposit. So I'm getting the error message, enter a valid amount. Now I'll enter another invalid value -9. So -9 is invalid amount. I'll click on deposit. Now also I'll get enter a valid amount. And successful depositing of amount we have already seen. Now I'll withdraw. I'll say 0, withdraw. I'm getting the error message, enter a valid amount. Now I will say some amount lesser than 0. I'll say withdraw, enter a valid amount. I'm getting the error message. By chance, I'll enter some text message and click on deposit. Now also I'll get error message, enter numbers only. I'll click on withdraw, I'll get the same message, enter numbers only. I hope everyone has enjoyed the video. For more videos, click on like, share and subscribe. Let us know what other videos you want to see, like any other topics in IT. You can just let us know in the comment box. Thank you.